Welcome students. In this video we are going to find the focal length of a concave mirror. The aim of this activity is to find the focal length of concave mirror. For finding this focal length we are going to use concave mirror and a scale, and sometimes we can use optical bench also. But in this video we are not going to use optical bench. We are going to use concave mirror and a scale. These are the apparatus used. For finding the focal length, we should first know what is focal length. Concave mirror, as you know, is a converging mirror. Converging means it converges all light at a point. Rays coming from infinity are nearly parallel to principal axis. The rays coming from a very far object, they are nearly parallel to the principal axis, and when these parallel rays fall on the mirror, they get converged at a point, and this point is on principal axis. This point is called focus. It is denoted by capital F, and distance of this focus from pole of the mirror is called focal length. Focal length is denoted by small f. So we have to find this focal length. See this diagram. This is outline of a concave mirror. It is painted from back. The shading line shows painted back. This line which is passing through middle of this mirror is called principal axis. This point where principal axis meet the mirror is called pole. Now we have got these two rays which are coming from infinity. They are coming from a very far object. They are parallel to principal axis as you are seeing it. After falling on this mirror, they are reflected in such a way that they meet at this point, and this point is focus. Now we have to measure this distance of this focus from pole. I have marked this line, dotted line from pole and focus. So this solid line will be the focal length. When light is reflected from this mirror, it always obeys laws of reflection. First law of reflection was incident ray, reflected ray and normal lie in the same plane. Now here normal is not mentioned. I am mentioning it. Normal will be the angle bisector of this angle. It will be somewhat like this. And this normal will pass through this point which is called center of curvature. Here this is angle I and this is angle R. And second law tells you that angle I is equal to angle R. So these laws are always followed whenever there is a reflection involved. By doing this, we can also find the center of curvature of this mirror. We have to draw incident ray and reflected ray, then bisect this angle between incident ray and reflected ray. This bisector meets at this point on principal axis, which is C, and this distance from C to this pole is called radius of curvature, and radius of curvature is twice of focal length. Now we are going to measure the focal length of taking the image, inverted image from a concave mirror. Now I am showing you concave and convex mirror. This is concave mirror. It is bulging in. It is pushed in. Behind it, it is bulging out. The reflecting surface is curved in. And this convex mirror, the reflecting surface is curved out. And behind it is curved in. You might be able to see it. Now we are moving to take the image of any distant object using this concave mirror and estimating the focal length. Now for finding the focal length of concave mirror, we have come outside and you might be seeing the buildings through this window. We are going to focus the image of these buildings on our screen so that we can estimate the focal length of our mirror. Look at the screen. This is our screen. We are going to focus the image of those buildings on this. We have to get the sharpest image. See, you might be seeing the sharp image of those buildings. It is inverted image. This is the most sharp image. Now we have to find the distance of our lens holder, mirror holder and this screen with the help of meter scale. I am putting this meter scale here and will move the mirror towards the screen slowly to get the sharp image. This is the sharp image which I have got. Now I have to see the base of this holder on the scale. It is at 9 centimeters. So focal length of this mirror is roughly 9 centimeters. Hope you have understood how you can find the focal length of this mirror. Thank you very much.